Hello students, subdivision to of question number 5. Factorize x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. First you have to do add a sum of coefficients. Coefficient of x cube is 1, then coefficient of x square is minus 3, then coefficient of x is minus 1, last term is minus 5. Now if you add all these numbers, you can't get 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is not a factor. After that, add the sum of coefficients of odd degree. Odd degree means power, just a check, it is odd number 3. So, odd degree. X power 1, here also odd degree. So, sum of coefficients of odd degree means x cube and x coefficients. Here x cube coefficient is 1 and x coefficient is minus 9. So 1 minus 9, that is minus 8, like that. Find the sum of coefficients of even degree. X power 2, that is even degree. Here 5, that is constant. X power 0 here. So 0 is even number. X square, the coefficient, and x power 0 coefficient, that is constant. So sum of coefficients of even degree, that is coefficient of x square is minus 3 and the coefficient of x power 0, that is constant, is minus 5. Here minus 5 and minus 3 gives minus 8. Sum of odd degree equal to sum of even degree. Therefore, write x plus 1 is a factor. If you put x equal to minus 1 here, you can get 0. So x plus 1 is a factor. X plus 1 is a factor, that is x equal to minus 1. Now write that coefficients of x cube 1 here, then coefficient of x square minus 3, coefficient of x, then constant. Now divide this polynomial by minus 1. Always put 0 in first place. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Minus 3 and minus 1 give minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 1, that is plus 4. Minus 9 plus 4, that is minus 5. Minus into minus plus, 5 ones are 5. So here numbers are equal but the sign is opposite. So always you will get 0 here. Now the power reduced to square. So write x square minus 4x minus 5. Here power is 3. We divide this polynomial using synthetic division by minus 1. So we will get x square minus 4x and minus 5. Here last term is minus and middle term is also minus. So greater number must possess minus sign. Minus 5 into 1 minus 5, minus 5 plus 1, that is minus 4. So we can write x minus 5 into x plus 1. So the factors are x plus 1, x minus 5 and x plus 1. Let's solve subdivision 3. Question is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Here first we have to add all the coefficients. Coefficients of x cube is 1 and the coefficient of x square is 13. Coefficient of x is 32 and the constant term is 20. All are plus symbol. So we can't get 0. Therefore x minus 1 is not a factor. Again, take a sum of coefficient odd degree. Odd degree means power 3. Coefficient of x cube is 1. Coefficient of x is 32. So 1 plus 32 gives 33. Like that, sum of coefficients of even degree. X square is even degree. So coefficient is 13 and the constant is 20. 13 plus 20, 33. Sum of coefficients of odd degree equal to sum of coefficients of even degree. Therefore, x plus 1 is factor. It means if you put x equal to minus 1 mean in this equation, we will get 0. So now divide this polynomial by minus 1 because x equal to minus 1. Coefficient of x cube is 1, coefficient of x square is 13 and coefficient of x is 32. Last constant is 20. Always put 0 here, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 13 minus 1, 12. 12 into minus 1, minus 12. 32 minus 12, that is 20. 20 into minus 1, minus 20. So, equal and opposite sign. So, here we get 0. The power is reduced to square. So, x square plus 12x plus 20. Here all the terms are positive. Now take 20. That is 5 into 4. 20. 5 plus 4 is 9. So, it is not possible. 10 into 2. 20. 10 plus 2 is 12. So, write x plus 10 into x plus 2. Therefore, the factors are x plus 1, x plus 10 and x plus 2. Condition 4 factors 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Now find the sum of coefficients, that is 2 plus 1 minus 2 and minus 1. 2 plus 1 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 we get 0. Therefore x minus 1 is a factor. Now we divide this polynomial by 1. Coefficient of y cube is 2 and y square is 1. Coefficient of y is minus 2 and constant term is minus 1. We are going to divide this polynomial by 1 because x minus 1 is a factor. It means x equal to 1. So put 1 here. Always put 0. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 into 1, 3. Minus 2 plus 3. That is 1. 1 into 1, 1. So equal and opposite. 1 minus 1, 0. Now the power is reduced to 2. So you can write 2y square plus 3y plus 1. If the coefficient of y square is more than 1, so you are going to multiply 2 and 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So you are multiplied here by 2. So divide this by 2. 2 by 2, that is 1. 1 by 2 here. You can write y plus 1 into y plus 1 by 2 or 2y plus 1. Now the factors are y minus 1 into y plus 1, 2y plus 1.